Welcome to our updated tutorial on how to unfollow a group on Messenger. Managing your groups on Messenger can help streamline your chat experience. Let's walk through the steps together. To start, open the Messenger app on your Android device. Accessing the app is the first step towards organizing your group chats effectively. Next, click on the people icon at the bottom of the screen to access your list of contacts and groups. This step allows you to navigate to the group you wish to unfollow. Now, tap and hold the group that you want to unfollow. Holding down on the group will bring up a menu of options for managing your group chat settings. Next, click on Leave Chat from the menu options. This action will prompt a confirmation message to ensure you want to unfollow the group. Finally, confirm your decision to unfollow the group. Once confirmed, you will no longer receive notifications or updates from the group chat, giving you more control over your messaging experience. By following these simple steps, you can easily unfollow a group on Messenger and customize your chat notifications according to your preferences. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope this guide helps you effectively manage your group chats on Messenger. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your messaging experience.